Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. And what I'm doing today is I am changing the neutral safety switch, and I was called to change it, and that's what I'm gonna do. I didn't ask no questions, and I am going to change it for them. This is the first time I have done this, and my motto is, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. So now the neutral safety switch is right under here. You go to the front and you go down, and it's hiding right in here, right there. So what it looks like, that I'm gonna have to take this off right here, this tube here. I don't think I have to take this off right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the battery, I'm gonna remove the battery tray, and I'm gonna remove this tube right here and see if I can get it like that. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery, and what I'm going to be using is a 10 millimeters, and I'm going to be disconnecting the negative battery first. So we're going to disconnect the battery and take it out, and take the tray out also. So put this to the side. Then we're going to take the positive off. We're going to lift this up. Same 10 millimeter socket. Okay. So now I'm going to take them out. We can leave right in there. Take this one. Now under there we have a looks like it's 12 millimeters, and what I'm going to be using is my impact gun. My 3/8 impact gun earthquake with a long extension and a 12 millimeter socket. I'm going to be putting it right down there. There it goes. Just remember how this bracket goes. Remember, this bracket goes over the battery. So we're going to take both of them out. This is how it looks. Right there. Keep it together. Put it to the side. We're going to take the battery out. So let's remove this battery. Careful with your fingers. Just lift it up. Put it to the side. Let's see if you can see this over here. Got a couple of bolts in there. Let me see where they are before I show you. Okay. Looks like the tray has 3 12 millimeter bolts in there, and we're going to take them out. Let me see if you can see that in there. Let me see if I can put you right in. 1, 2, 3. So the tray should be able to come up because we took this one out in the beginning. Now let's pick it up. No, we have these clamps right here. We're going to have to press them in. Let me get a pair of pliers to squeeze this. Squeeze this in. Squeeze it, and then you just push it back, squeeze that. Now you lift the whole tray up. Okay, we're getting close. So now we have to take the tube out. Can you see that there? Maybe if I come in this side, you can probably see it even better. Gonna take this off, and it looks like it's a 10 millimeters. Yep. You can even use a Phillips screwdriver. Gonna use the impact gun. Loosen it up. Push this back. Yep. As a matter of fact, we can put it right here in the side. And the neutral safety switch is right there. Let me see if I can put you right in there. So what we have here, we have the connector here. So what we're going to do is lift up this rubber boot here. we lift it up just to see how, and then in the back over here you got to press it in. Okay, so what you have to do is pick this up, this rubber boot, pick it up, and then in the back it's going to be connected. You have to press this in order to disconnect it. Now you want to put it to the side. Now we have a nut here. We have 2 bolts. So we're going to take the nut. We're going to use a 14 millimeters. This one out first. Okay, you take that one off. Put it in a safe spot. Then you have a 10 millimeter nut right here. Excuse me, a bowl right there. What we're gonna do is this. Hopefully, I'm thinking that I can probably just move this out of the way. Pick it up. Oh, it also has a washer there, so make sure you keep the washer with it. Okay, I'm hoping I can pick this up and just move it to the side. Let me see. Remember, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. Yep, you can pick it up. Oh, and nice, because it only has one way, like a line. That's good. So you pick it up, you push it to the side. There goes your neutral safety switch there. All right, now let's take the 10 millimeter bolts out of there. There's 2 of them. Goes 1. Goes 1. There goes 2. Okay. Right there. So now, when we pick it up, we want to see the location, or where is that. So we know that it goes like this. So what we're gonna do is this. Pick it up slowly. Ooh. Okay. So this is the way we check it out. So we're gonna turn it around and see where this location is at. And you see where the location is at? It has like 2 little cracks there. So we're gonna turn this one around, and you can see they're right the same right here. Look, see that? Look at the crack. Let me just show you again, because I probably has a crack right here, like a little groove there, That's how we took it out. We want this one also to have the same groove. And if you can see, it has the same groove. Make sure, once again, groove, 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 groove. Same thing, both of them. So we're going to take the new one, carefully, push it in, take your time. We're going to push it down. Making sure it didn't move on me. Push it down. Okay, so I'm just gonna see if I put it in and it moved on me, just gonna make sure that it didn't move on me. So you're gonna pick it back up. See the other one? Oh, perfect, perfect. So I'm gonna put it back in. Push it down, right there. Push it all the way down. Beautiful. Straight down. Now you're gonna take the bolts, put them back in. The other one. Okay. You probably want to use a regular socket, but if you're going to be using the impact gun, don't go too hard, just softly. Because remember, it's plastic and you don't want to break it. That's it. Just hold it tight. Now don't forget, we got to put this bracket back right here. And all we do is just turn it like this. Make sure it's all the way down. Put your washer. I believe that was 14 millimeters. Let's see, let's do it by hand first. Okay. Once again, I'm going to be using my impact gun. Looking good. We're looking good. One more time. Okay. So that's good there. Next thing we're going to do is put the wire harness in it. And what we have to do is just push this in, right in. Squeeze it. Don't forget to put this rubber plastic down. That's to cover for the water. Okay. Now what we're going to do is make sure everything is connected. I'm going to take the tool, put it back in. Okay, there it goes. All the way in. I believe that was 10 millimeters. Yes, it was. Make sure you push this to the side over here. Try to not have this in the way. Okay. You don't want to go too hard. You don't want to break that plastic. Okay, that's done. Next thing we got to do, we got to put the tray back in there. Okay, so we're going to put the tray back in. See the 3 little holes right here? That's 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 last ones we took out. And then this one right here is what's holding the battery. Alright? So what we're going to do is just push this back in there. Okay, you can actually see the holes in there. I want to do it by hand first. So I'm going to put those back down and I'll be right back. So now that I've put the 3 bowls in, we're going to put the battery in. The tray is in already, nice and tight. Put the battery. Okay. Battery in. You want to put this in there. Remember, this goes on top of the battery. So we're going to connect this one in first, the positive. Make sure you push it down. That's in there. I ain't gonna connect this one yet. I'll screw this one back in. That's the 12 millimeters. Okay. All right, that's all in. Put this back down. Let's connect this cable in. Make sure you push it down. Okay, so now the battery's in. That is in. Let me just show you what I was putting in. As from earlier, we put that back in there to hold the battery. Make sure the battery doesn't move. Make sure everything is connected. Let's try the car out. So here you go, my friend. This is how you change the neutral safety switch on a 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. And my motto is, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. This was my first time doing it. It was very easy. If you do it yourself, you probably save yourself about maybe $60. The part only came out to like $35, and you could change it yourself. Usually, the reason why you change a safety neutral switch is because if you have a P0705, and that's on this car, I don't know about other cars, but a P0705 means that you're having problem with the neutral safety switch, or if you try to start your car in neutral, it doesn't start. So this is how you change it. It's very easy. I hope this helps you out. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com.